pig can test
Don't do it. Don't do it, Pumpkin.
He was like, what is that? Oh,
All
wait,
right,
that's
good
a
job.
fence. That's a fence. I was like, what is that yellow stuff? Oh, yeah, it's a fence. Back up.
All right, what's our goal today, Jackson?
Set up the electric fence on
For
the
what?
pasture. For pigs.
Yep. We want to get the pigs out on pasture today. We've got lots of grass and alfalfa here in the pasture that is just going to waste, and it'll be good for the pigs. And I don't know, I like having animals have more space when there's an opportunity for that, I guess. So anyways, first step, now we need to mow a swath, just a swath around the perimeter, so that we do that for a couple of reasons. One, if the tall grass and alfalfa and stuff is touching the electric fence, it's going to cause problems for the electric fence and make it so the pigs might get out. So we're gonna mow so that there isn't any grass or anything touching the electric fence. The other reason that we do that is to help the pigs see it better. If it's in the middle of tall grass, that's, I don't know, it feels a little cruel, like they're just gonna unknowingly stumble into the electric fence. So we want them to visibly be able to see it. Their eyesight isn't great anyway, so we want to make it so it's easier for them to see the electric fence so they don't run into it on accident quite so much. Anyways, so that's kind of the first step, is mowing. Then we'll take the foot posts around. We bought a whole ton of these used along with the electric fence wire, and we're gonna put these around after we mow, and then after that we'll put the electric fence wire up. So anyways, we'll show you the process. I should also say that the pigs have been being trained on this hot wire for exactly a week now. We've never done electric fence with these pigs before. They're new to us. We've had them for a little over a month, and we've been training them for about a week on the electric fence wire inside the cattle panels so they don't charge through it. And now they're respecting the wire enough that we feel good to put them out on the pasture, and hopefully we won't have any issues. Going?
Yep.
Okay, so now we're going to string the wire. When we bought all the posts, it came with the wire and these spools. I'm excited about these spools because I think it's going to make the job a lot easier, both pulling out the wire and wrapping it back up. So anyways, we'll show you how that goes. Alright, so the pigs are able to leave the pen now, but they're super nervous about it because they're smart animals, so they remember that the wire used to be there and they were getting shocked by it. So they're afraid to kind of cross this threshold. Grant's gonna try to lure them out. See if it works. Oh, starting to see that fresh alfalfa. Still a little nervous, but he's coming out, so that's good. Nice job, Grant. Now we just got to convince these other two it's time to come out and graze. Well, we've got 2 of the 3 pigs out now. I think they're liking the space.
Not fighting with each other.
Yeah, they're not fighting. And I think they're loving that alfalfa. They see that wire over there though, so they're watching it close. They don't want to get shocked. What do you think, boys?
There's an eagle, yeah.
Is there? Oh, yeah. Well, darn, we missed it. There was an eagle that flew right over those trees, just right about there, but gone now. Darn it. That one's not an eagle. That's just a big hawk or something. We'll watch for him. Well, what do you think about the extra space for the pigs, you guys?
Less money for paying for feed because they can eat this grass.
Yeah, that's true. Saves us a little money. Yep. What about, do you think they'll like it?
Yes.
Yeah, that one's funny. It's just like
He's eating
right in his little shelter there. Doesn't want to get out.
It's too hot. He's like, eat the shit.
Maybe. They're doing a really good job. They're watching that fence, and then they get within a foot or two, and then they back right up. So they're trained, so that's good. I don't know why they're so interested in the gravel spot there, but whatever.
He's eating rocks, I told you. Like, what is this?
Might be some minerals or something in the dirt they're looking for. Oh, so there he was exploring that fence and then backed away. Hopefully pumpkins. Oh, yep, he saw it in time. That's good.
They're just like standing together. They're like, yeah, I don't want to do this by myself. It's scary.
Don't do it. Don't do it,
He
pumpkin.
was like, what is that? Oh,
All
wait,
right,
that's
good
the
job.
fence. That's the fence. I was like, what is that yellow stuff? Oh, yeah, it's a fence. Back up.
You like it out here? Huh, crispy bacon? How about you, pumpkin? You like it? Tell Porky. Tell Porky to come out here.
There. Maybe he's sick.
I think he's just got something stuck in his nose.
Maybe we should give him this.